Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and I am doing a multiple store grocery haul today to round out my Easter shopping. That includes stuff for our family meal coming on Sunday, and then also stuff for to help the Easter bunny. So let's get into Aldi, and there's going to be a few other stores that I go to today as well. I know there's chicken shortages everywhere, but I am a bit disappointed that right when I got here, they still don't have the family packs. So I'll see what I can find at the next store. My husband decided he wants to make his own homemade barbecue sauce, so I need 2 tomato pastes and 3 tomato sauces. We need more honey, and my husband needs that in his barbecue sauce, $5.99. I am grabbing an avocado. Someone said to put it near heat, so I'm going to try that, $1.19. My family pretty much ate our entire jar of pickles with subs this week, so I need these for our chicken sandwiches, $1.89. I'm gonna get 2 boxes of these for my daughter to take to her track meet tomorrow. The coach asked for snacks, so I'm gonna get 2 boxes at $3.84 a piece. I'm getting 2 packs of the Hawaiian sweet rolls. They'll make good slider buns for the shredded chicken on Easter, $1.69. I'm gonna get these for chicken sandwiches. I'll stick them in the freezer until Easter. They'll only be 55 cents, but I'm giving different bread options. And then I'm gonna buy 2 packs of hamburger buns in case people just want to be plain. If I have leftovers, we'll have burgers next week for dinner. My husband brought up that we didn't get eggs for coloring eggs, so I'm getting a dozen so that we can color them with the kids, $1.78. My family really enjoyed the strawberry lemonade I bought earlier this week, so I'm going to get 3 of them for our Easter gathering, $1.99 a piece. I'm going to get a couple bags of this kettle corn for Easter, $1.99 a piece. I am going to get these for my son's Easter basket. It looks like they all pretty much have the same design, but I think he'll really like these. $8.99. Last minute edition. 85 cents. Here are my 2 bags, and I spent $48.97. Next up is an Easter basket must, the Dollar Tree. So I always get the kids different colors. So I'm gonna get party cake. I'm gonna get pink. And I'll get a blue. Those look cute. I'm probably gonna get those as well to have out on our Easter display. So not for baskets, but I'll get 2 boxes of these to put in a little dish with our food. So I'm gonna get 6 of these for our Easter egg hunt, 1 for each of the 6 kids that'll be there, so they can each get 1 on the hunt. I'm gonna get 2 of each of these to put in eggs. It's 10 total, so $12.50. I'm gonna get this for my son's Easter basket. If you know Ryan, you know. Also, I'm gonna get 1 of each of these for my kids' baskets, so 3 of them total. 2 different slimes. They love them. I'm gonna get 1 thing of silly string for each of their baskets as well. So 3 of them. A splash ball for my son's Easter basket. This will be great in the pool. I'm also gonna get 2 of these. We bought these last year and loved them, cookie and cream eggs. I'm gonna pick a box for each of my kids. I'm gonna get this for Mila.
That's just me though.
This one for Elsie. I think I'll get him these since him and Matt both like them. I'm gonna get 3 bags of hot fries. My kids all love hot fries, so it'll be a fun addition to their basket. I'm gonna get a couple mascaras and 2 nails. I'm gonna get 1 of each of these balls. They're super squishy dough balls. Try my best to find them each a pair of flip-flops if I can find the right sizes. Floral foam. I'm getting 2 for my middle daughter's basket. She loves to play with this stuff. So I just spent $58 at the dollar store, which is ridiculous. I am getting each of my girls a beach towel. They are on sale for $12.99. Those are the prints I'm getting. I had no better luck here, so I'm just gonna grab this pack. It's $3.29 a pound, $15 pretty much, but I'm gonna cut my losses and just buy it more expensive than I want. My Aldi hasn't had the cookies and cream pails in a while, so I'm gonna get this one from Meijer. My kids requested it, $5.99. So Ben & Jerry's is on sale for $3.49, and then if you buy $15 worth, you get $5 off your next trip. So I'm gonna check out with 5 of these, get the coupon, and then use it on my next trip, which will be the next time I check out. So I'm gonna get 5 Chunky Monkeys, our favorite. They'll go great in the freezer. I'm going to get color changing cups, easy. We can use crayons. They're $1.70. I'm also gonna get this for my son, sidewalk chalk that has a dinosaur inside. He loves that kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna get a single pack of onion buns at Meijer, just because they don't sell them at Aldi for our chicken sandwiches.
Or bottle slips. Insert pack.
Got my coupon. I'll use it when I check out for the rest. Okay, so I'm back from Aldi, Meijer, and the Dollar Tree, and altogether I spent $180.88 between all 3 stores. Probably more than I thought I was gonna spend, but now we have our Easter dinner, Easter baskets, and egg hunt materials all secured. So the weather is nice and warm today, but it rained every store I went into and out of, so I enjoyed frizzy hair courtesy of the weather. If you want to see what I'm making for Easter dinner, make sure you check out this weekend's video where I shared with you my meal plan, including this week's Easter dinner, and that can be found linked right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Easter. I won't be having a video on Sunday, of course, with it being Easter, but I'll be back with you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.